Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we'll just create a basic move the square game. So it's like basically just like you use arrow keys and all that and you just move a square. It's not like any catch or anything. There's like no tough part. It's just like a square moving. So let's get started. So let me do the import tkinter as tk. Now we'll skip this line and do def move event. Let me fix this. Okay. Okay, now I'll type if event dot keys and then I'll type yn keys ym double equals left and then we'll put a colon here and type canvas and then dot move and then I'll do player and then comma -10 0. So if the left key is pressed, that means it'll move x to the left, so that means it'll move -10x and the y will stay 0. So that is what it is. So now we'll go to the next line and do else if. We'll do else if event dot keys event dot keys ym double equals, and then I'll do right, then I'll go there and type canvas dot move, and then we'll do the opposite. We'll type 10 0. Now we'll type 10 comma, actually let's do player comma 10 comma 0. Okay, now we'll copy this code and paste it here again. So we'll do else if event. Let me line this up. Okay, else if event key ym, and then we'll do, this time we'll do up, and then we'll do player 0 10. So wait, I'll do -10 actually. Now let's copy this code again. I'll fix this, and this time I'll type down, and then I'll do canvas.move player comma 0 10. Okay, now I'll skip this line and go here, and I'll do root equals tk dot tk. Okay, now I'll do root dot title. Sorry about that. I'll do root dot title, and then we'll do move the square. So you guys can change this name to whatever you want to. Now after this we'll do canvas equals tk dot canvas root comma width equals 400, height equals 400, eg equals white. Okay, now we'll do canvas dot pack. Now we'll skip this line and define player. So now we'll do player equals canvas dot create underscore rectangle. Now we'll do 100 comma 100 comma 220 comma 220 comma fill equals blue. Now that we've done that, we'll skip that line and type root dot bind. Now we'll do this and do this and type key press, and we'll do that. We'll make this capital and let's put a comma here and we'll do move. Now we'll skip this and the last one we'll do root dot main loop. Now let's run the code. I made this square a bit too big, so let me fix that. So let me delete this. Let me close this. And as you see, I opened a tiny tab here. So I can move the square here, here, here. You guys can like basically have fun with this square. Like it's just like a boredom satisfier game. So I use the arrow keys here to go left, right, up, down. It can also go off the map. They can also go off the screen. So try not to make that happen. You can make that happen if you want to for fun. And it will come back down. Yeah, I'll exit the screen now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's basic game about like the square movement game. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please share this video with other people who like coding and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos about education and coding. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next lesson.